Okay, yeah. So Shruti.ai, it's a common man AI application where we have integrated with the multi-language Indian regional languages. Right now we were supporting 10 plus languages, and we have the features for the farmers where farmer can ask the question about their crops, about their soils or anything. And we have the virtual try-on feature for the e-commerce or the normal person also. If they want to buy any dress, they can see saying like how this dress is going to look on me, how if they want to buy the shoes or anything, they can try it on their self. We have the stock analyst as well where you can ask any question regarding the stocks and it will be going to give you the expert analysis of it. We have the palm history, vastu and the kundli generation. All these features we have in our application. In day to day you can ask about your flight train status, where is my train, and you can set the alert as well when it is going to reach to particular destination. You can maintain your grocery list as well in the single application itself. So all these features which common man needed, we have included in our application, and it's available in the Google and Apple Play Store as well. And this is the first AI app which is available in the Android Auto and CarPlay as well. So when you connect your device with the car devices, you'll be able to see the Shruti.ai app, and with the voice also you can directly ask the question and you'll be getting a hands-free driving experience as well.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving me the explanation, and it's really praiseworthy that you came out of this, came out with this model. But I have a question: that how is it different from the popular models like ChatGPT and Gemini, which are already in the market?
Correct. So ChatGPT and Gemini, like as a technical person, we are knowing saying like this how to use it, how to register, what is the cost and all. But here you'll be getting all the textual information. If you are asking what is the nearby restaurant, it will give you based on your lat long what are the nearby restaurant. But if you see in our application, we'll be giving you how the user want to say it in a simpler way, saying like these are the restaurant. You can click directly on the button of that website, you can click on the call, you can click on the map link. From there itself you don't have to navigate to another app. If you want to just click repair something and you just click a image of your like suppose mixer, it is not working, you just click a image, you can ask in your language and it will give you like in the format what we have explained, what is the deficiency, how much cost it is going to take, these are the YouTube videos you can prefer. So we made it more custom specific on that, so it's going to be helpful for the common man not to go here and there and search it for everywhere. So it is in the same app, we will be getting all the features.
Ma'am, you talked about your application of your model for farmers. Okay?
Correct.
So about 90% of Indian farmers are small and marginal farmers who might not have been able to even purchase smartphone. In that case, how do you ensure that your innovation benefits them?
So I'm thinking like right now, like we have reached a lot of farmers. They all have the smartphone, but it's like they were just using just to pick the call and just live like that. They don't want to go here and there. They're afraid of signing up something and somewhere. So we kept our application very simple. We don't have any typing or anything like they have to type or do. They just do with the voice command and they're able to listen. We are giving for readout, but they can directly listen what exactly it is saying. If you see the fertilizers are coming, they're not able to read what is written, so they just click the photo and ask in their language like ये कैसे यूज़ करना है या कैसे मेरे खत को डालना है, लाइक वो उनके क्रॉप का फोटो भी डाल सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे ये इश्यूज है, लाइक कौन सा फर्टिलाइजर डालूँ, कौन सी गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडीज है, वो दे कैन जस्ट टॉक विद द वॉइस, दे डोंट हैव टू टाइप और रीड एंड दे कैन जस्ट लिसन इट. सो दैट मच सिंपल ऐप वी हैव केप्ट फॉर दैम.
मैम, अगर आपको याद होगा तो पिछले साल एआई समिट में प्राइम मिनिस्टर साहब ने बात करी थी बायसेस ऑफ एआई, जिसमें उन्होंने कहा था कि अगर आप एआई को बोलें एक लेफ्ट हैंडेड मैन का पिक्चर बनाने के लिए तो वो राइट हैंडेड मैन का बनाता है. तो आप अपने मॉडल को ऐसे बायसेस से बचाने के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं?
So right now we said like it's very simple, complicated like a day-to-day application. So right now we have not kept that much of biases, things or anything. It's just a communicative app, you will see. or it generates image. It's not generating the images what you are explaining. So it just for the communication. अगर आप नए सिटी में गए हो, मुझे पता नहीं है कि कौन सा रेस्टोरेंट नज़दीक है, you can ask the restaurant, you can ask the trains, buses, so that things you can ask it. So that is for the daily activities, we'll say. Yeah.
Ma'am, since you are an expert of AI, let us address the elephant in the room. Okay, there are lots of reports that say that AI will lead to job losses. What is your take on that?
I don't think so. It will lose the job. Right now, it is losing, but it's like whoever is adapting that technology, they can grow it. If you are not adapting and you are saying like it is going to take my job, it will obviously going to take your job because you are not that much adaptive. You have to take it and you have to carry forward that things with some new innovation. Then you will always going to be there in that, and always we have to try with the latest trends. It's not like if we are not adapting means nobody is going to adapt it. Everybody is going to do it, and you have to go with that flow itself. So then you'll be able to survive in this kind of industry.
So, what are the ways in which youngsters can adapt to the world of AI?
It's like right now there are so many sources. They can go and they can try, they can learn on it. They have so many free things are available. They can try and they have to discuss in the way saying like what exactly the pain point they have, what exactly they can do it for the in our day-to-day life, and they can just try to see saying like from where exactly we can integrate this AI things.
Ma'am, as an exhibitor, what is your feedback of this event?
This event is good actually, but there are so many ways like it was not happening properly. We were seeing what the exposure we wanted. That is not that much, but it is a startup. It is very good for that. Things.
Okay, ma'am, how what is your take on the fact that most of the people in India are not even aware of AI? They have not used any tool of AI. Like, what are the ways you would suggest government that they can create awareness of about artificial intelligence?
So I think mostly like they can do right now. Mostly the people are going to have the TVs, news channels, and are all like the simple, or we can say like in our application. If you see saying like farmers thing, mostly they are farmers. If we can have a simple app for the farmers, they can just not complicated with the voice based. If they can have and publish on TV, they'll try to use it. Right now, if you see due to some like the bar we were getting and all, the farmers are clicking the photos of their farms and uploading for the subsidy. They can do it. So that kind of simple way we can have for the AI applications as well to promote them.
Okay, thank you so much,
Yeah.
ma'am, for
Thank you.
answering so graciously. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much.